Have you ever tried to recreate a restaurant dish at home and wondered why it never tastes the same? Same recipe, same ingredients, but completely different flavor. The truth is, restaurants don't win because of ingredients. They win because of technique and timing. Let's break down the real reasons. Reason 1, heat control. Restaurants use heat very differently. Home cooks are afraid of heat, or they use way too much of it. Professional kitchens control temperature precisely. That's how food develops flavor without burning. Heat is not about speed. It's about control. Reason 2, proper seasoning and when it happens. At home, seasoning usually happens at the end. In restaurants, seasoning happens during the entire process. Salt isn't just flavor. It changes how food cooks and releases moisture. That's why restaurant dishes taste balanced, not flat. Reason 3, fat is used strategically. Butter, oil, cream. Restaurants don't drown food in fat. They use it at the right moment. Fat carries flavor. Used correctly, it makes food taste richer without feeling heavy. Reason 4, timing beats recipes. Home cooks follow recipes word for word. Chefs follow the food. They adjust based on smell, sound, texture, and timing. That's why two people can follow the same recipe and end up with completely different dishes. Conclusion: restaurant food doesn't taste better because it's fancy. It tastes better because heat is controlled, seasoning is layered, fat is used with purpose. Timing matters more than instructions. Once you understand this, your cooking changes completely. What do you think makes the biggest difference? Heat, seasoning, or timing? Tell me in the comments.